Is it on movie? Yep. It's recording. Okay.
Looks like.
So say hello.
Hola!
Glove on.
See.
And then I'm going to pull this over here. And right
there.
hand here.
You know what you can do? You want get this one on the camera to get the position on the camera, and this one a little bit higher, right there. And then you sit down. Wash your back with the rail.
Okay.
Just don't sit on the rail. Sit down like you're sitting on the chair. Let your feet go. One step forward. Bend your knees. Ready? Adios.
Oh. Oh, grab the cable. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I did it. Wow.
How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. That was fun.
You see the view down there?
That's amazing. Oh, you can see all the way to the ocean. Wow.
Stay in the office.
Wow. That's amazing. Okay.
Luis.
Luis.
He doesn't speak English.
I figured.
Do you want me to take a picture of you with the bag over there?
Sure. Well, no, that's all right.
You sure?
I'm good. Yeah.
So let me go up here.
We're still recording.
Excellent. Up here, step up.
Okay.
You grab the cable, you guys. Excellent.
Okay.
Keep still for a second. Thank you. So, let's do this right here. So sit down.
Okay.
The same. Your hand over here.
My hands over
down.
here. Okay.
Wash your back with the
tree. Okay.
Let it go. Let your feet go.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm ready for you. Bye.
Bye. Woo. I'm backwards now. Oh. Oh.
I didn't have the memo.
Okay. Oh, I gotta get off of here, huh? Can you give me a hand?
How you doing, yeah?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I got all twisted around that last but I thought, whatever.
I don't have to do anything.
I don't have to do anything.
Actually, that's a lot of places that you have to put your hands on the cable and you have to slow down yourself.
Oh, okay.
That's when you have to be facing forward.
Okay.
Follow the guys in the cable. Not in here.
Oh, man.
That's the toucan call.
Yeah. This is not scary at all.
No. It's like,
I mean, I feel
you
secure.
Get the landing sensation. You trust in the harness and the gear. Mm-hmm. Actually, you think about it, it's way safer being hanging there than walking here.
I suppose it is.
Just be careful here to see.
What are those berries?
Which ones?
Right there.
Oh, this thing? Let me show
Is
you
that the
something.
fig?
No, actually,
No.
it's not even related to the fig. It's called limoncillo. You know what limoncillo means?
Lemon
A
something?
little bit like a little lemon, if you translate that.
Oh.
It's completely away from the lemon family.
Uh-huh.
But smell that.
Oh.
It's really aromatic.
It's
isn't it?
really lovely.
Using this for candles, you know, aromatherapy and stuff like that. Yeah. And it's not even in the lemon family.
Nice. Okay. And this is what they call steps, which I go very slow on.
No worries. Steady and safe place.
See better, I'm here with no big group because I'm slow. I'm sorry.
No, actually, you are not slow.
Oh, okay.
I have seen people, slow people. So.
How old is the oldest person you've had on your tour?
93.
93. Okay, I don't even come close.
But you know what? I've been here with 20s, teenagers, and they're older than any of us.
Yeah.
Spirits, you know what I mean? It's just like they don't enjoy things like this. It's they don't need to be sitting and watching TV on the computer.
Yeah.